Welcome back. Hello student. Are you ready? I am going to teach you combination of cells. Combination of cells means combination of two or more than two cells known as a battery. There are the three types of combination. First in series combination. In this each cell of EMF E and internal resistance are connected in series. There are n cells connected in series and these combinations send the current in external resistance R I. Total EMF of the cell means that is effective EMF of this combination, that is NE. Total internal resistance, because this is in series internal resistance NR, and total resistance of this circuit with the external and internal, that is R plus N into small r. Current drawn from this combination I equal to effective EMF upon total resistance NE upon R plus NR. I equal to NE upon R plus NR. If R is very greater to NR, means if external resistance of circuit is much more than internal resistance, then I equal to NE upon R approx. Means this combination is useful in series only when external resistance is greater, very large in comparison to internal resistance. If NR internal resistance is greater than external resistance, then I equal to NE upon NR, E upon R, approximate the current drawn from the one cell, which is not very useful in this combination, in series combination. Now come on, the next topic in parallel combination. In parallel combination, I have taken n cells, each of internal resistance R and EMF capital E connected in parallel, so that the total EMF of the combination is remain E, because the potential difference is means you can say these are in parallel combination. Total internal resistance 1 by R dash equal to 1 by R plus 1 by R n term, that 1 by R dash equal to n by R dash equal to R by n. Total resistance of the circuit R plus R by n. Current drawn from the combination I equal to E upon R plus R by n, or I equal to NE upon n into capital R plus small r. If external resistance is more than, you can say, if external resistance R is greater than R by n, then I equal to NE upon E upon n into capital R E by R, approximately the current drawn from the single cell, which is not very useful, that is usually taken. If the internal resistance R by n is greater to external resistance, then I equal to NE upon R. Current drawn is equal to the n times of the single cell approx. Therefore, this combination is useful in parallel combination. Now come on, in mixed group. In mixed group, in each series there are n cells, each of resistance, and this m rows this N cell and this M rows E R E R E R E R E R E R E R E R E internal resistance E R E E E R this R E mixed combination, mixed grouping in total EMF of this combination NE in each and in each, that is a M rows, so that combination will be this total internal resistance in each series one NR, this NR, this NR, so that 1 by R dash equal to N by 1 by NR plus 1 by NR plus 1 by NR dot M term 1 by R dash equal to M upon NR, total resistance of circuit that is R plus M by NR. Current drawn from combination I equal to NE upon R plus M by N R by N. I equal to M N E upon M R plus N R. This is a total resistance. If any confusion, please ask here. Now, for I max M R plus N R must be minimum, or you can say M plus N R may be written M R plus minus root N R whole square plus 2 root M N R R. For minimum root M R minus root N R must be 0, or M R must be N R, or you can say I max equal to M N E upon NR plus NR MNE upon 2 NR या I max equal to ME upon 2R R this or I max equal to M NE upon MR plus MR N MNE upon 2MR equal to I max must be NE upon 2R. It means when in the mixed group current in external circuit will be maximum when internal resistance of battery equal to the external resistance. For MR plus NR minimum this must be followed.